8 Best Vitamins and Supplements to Clean Fatty Liver. Our liver, often overlooked and underappreciated, silently carries out the crucial task of detoxifying our body and keeping everything running smoothly. Unfortunately, our not-so-great eating habits and sedentary lifestyles can lead to a common issue called fatty liver, affecting millions worldwide. But don't worry, there is a simple yet very effective natural solution. We're talking about vitamins and supplements. They can make a big difference in helping the liver get back on track and keeping us healthy. So let's explore some of the best vitamins and supplements for your liver with some real scientific evidence. Number 1. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is like a superhero for our liver. It has special antioxidative powers, which protect our liver cells from damage. You can think of antioxidants as little shields that keep the bad guys, known as free radicals, from causing trouble. Free radicals are like the bullies that can harm our liver cells and make fatty liver worse. Now let's get to the exciting part, the research. A study published in the Curious Journal of Medical Science gathered a group of people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. They divided them into 2 squads. One team received a placebo, while the other team got their daily dose of vitamin E. Guess what happened? The vitamin E warriors showed some serious liver love. Their liver fat decreased, the inflammation went down, and their liver enzymes were cheering with joy. So how do you get your hands on this liver-loving nutrient? You can find high levels of vitamin E in seafood, avocado, almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, and other similar foods. And if you're planning to take vitamin E supplements, don't forget to talk to a healthcare professional. They can guide you on the right dosage and determine if vitamin E is the right choice for you. Number 2. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is an herb that has been around for centuries and has gained quite a reputation for its liver-loving powers. It contains a mighty compound called silymarin, which is like a magical shield for your liver. When you take milk thistle, the silymarin swoops in and starts doing its thing. It protects your liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, milk thistles have anti-inflammatory effects. Fatty liver is often accompanied by inflammation, which can make matters worse. But that's not all. Milk thistle has also shown potential in promoting liver cell regeneration. Studies have found that silymarin stimulates the production of new liver cells. This regenerative capacity helps in combating the damage caused by fatty liver and promoting overall liver health. To add it to your diet, you could take its supplements, available in the form of capsules, tablets, or liquid extracts from your local medical store, or you could also make its tea by steeping a tablespoon of dried milk thistle leaves or seeds in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 3. Vitamin D. Vitamin D has this amazing ability to regulate the genes and enzymes involved in fat metabolism. It's like giving your liver an instruction manual on how to handle all that excess fat. It helps your liver process and break down fatty acids more efficiently. Studies have shown that low vitamin D levels are often found in people with fatty liver disease. But don't worry, researchers have also discovered that increasing your vitamin D levels can actually make a difference. In fact, a study published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine found that vitamin D supplementation improves liver function and reduces the accumulation of fat in the liver. So if you're ready to give your liver a fighting chance against fatty liver disease, consider getting yourself a daily dose of vitamin D. The sun is a natural source of vitamin D, and spending some time outdoors can boost your levels. Just remember to protect your skin from those harmful UV rays. You can also find vitamin D in foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. Number 4. Turmeric. This vibrant spice, with its golden color and powerful properties, packs a punch against fatty liver like no other. At the heart of turmeric lies a secret weapon called curcumin. This mighty compound possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers that can put the fatty liver in its place. It reduces fat accumulation and improves liver function. Turmeric also supports overall liver health by boosting bile production. Bile is like the liver's cleaning crew, breaking down fats and toxins and making sure everything runs smoothly. If you still have any doubts, a study published in the journal Integrative Medicine Research found that curcumin supplementation improved liver function, reduced liver inflammation, and decreased fat accumulation in the liver. So how can you add it to your daily diet? Try sprinkling it onto your meals. It will add a warm and earthy flavor to dishes like curries, soups, or stir-fries. Or you could brew a warm and soothing turmeric tea, or even consider curcumin supplements for a concentrated boost. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 5. Choline. Choline is a key nutrient essential for liver health. When it comes to fatty liver disease, choline acts as a sort of fat transporter. The liver utilizes choline to create phospholipids, which are essential for the structure and function of cell membranes. These phospholipids transport and metabolize fats effectively, ensuring they don't accumulate in the liver. And don't worry, science backs up all these claims. Studies have shown that increasing your choline intake can actually reduce the amount of fat in your liver and improve how well your liver enzymes work. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that increasing choline intake is associated with a lower risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver. So, how can you make sure you're getting enough choline to make your liver happy? Well, it's actually pretty easy. There are several foods rich in choline, including eggs, liver, fish, and vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Number 6. Vitamin C. Vitamin C acts as a detoxification specialist, effectively restoring order by eliminating accumulated fat. As an antioxidant, vitamin C protects the liver from oxidative stress, a major contributor to inflammation and liver cell damage. Vitamin C also plays an important role in the synthesis of carnitine, a substance responsible for transporting fatty acids to the mitochondria, the cell's power source, for energy production. This energy boost enables liver cells to process and metabolize fats more efficiently, enhancing overall liver function. It is also required for collagen synthesis, which is a structural protein necessary for maintaining healthy liver tissue. Collagen provides support and strength to liver cells, ensuring their proper structure and function. But vitamin C's contributions don't end there. It promotes iron absorption, an essential mineral required for the production of enzymes and proteins necessary for liver metabolism and detoxification processes. By promoting iron absorption, vitamin C ensures that the liver has an adequate supply of this essential nutrient, optimizing its performance. So load up on foods like citrus fruits, leafy greens, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Just keep in mind that cooking methods like boiling or prolonged heat exposure can cause some loss of vitamin C, so try to enjoy these foods in their fresh or lightly cooked forms whenever possible. If necessary, you can also discuss with your doctor about vitamin C supplements. Number 7. TUDCA. TUDCA, short for tauroursodeoxycholic acid, try saying that 3 times fast, is a special type of bile acid that our bodies naturally produce. It works by reducing stress and inflammation in your liver. When your liver gets all fatty, it can get inflamed and start acting up. But TUDCA swoops in and calms things down. It protects liver cells from damage and keeps them happy and healthy. Also, in a study published in the journal Current Therapeutic Research, researchers found that TUDCA improved liver function and reduced fat accumulation. If you're considering trying out TUDCA, it is essential to know how to take it correctly. Typically, TUDCA comes in the form of a supplement, like capsules or tablets. For general liver health and in cases of fatty liver, a common starting dose is around 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day. However, it is crucial to consult with your healthcare provider as they can adjust the dosage based on your specific needs. Remember, moderation is key. Stick to the recommended dose and avoid going overboard, as too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to unwanted side effects. Number 8. Licorice Root. Licorice root is a wise healer, holding the key to a healthier liver. It contains a special compound called glycyrrhizin, which restores liver balance. With its anti-inflammatory properties, licorice root reduces liver swelling and irritation, creating a soothing environment for healing. It also supports the liver's natural defenses by promoting an antioxidant and enzyme production. These substances fight harmful toxins and promote cell rejuvenation. Also, a study published in the journal Molecules investigated the anti-inflammatory effects of licorice root in liver cells. The findings indicated that licorice root extract reduced inflammatory markers and oxidative stress, contributing to liver cell protection. To benefit from its healing properties, you can brew licorice root tea by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried licorice root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. It can also help with digestion and soothe gastrointestinal discomfort. However, if you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, or a history of heart problems, you should avoid licorice root due to its potential to increase blood pressure. When it comes to tackling that pesky fatty liver, vitamins and supplements can be your trusty sidekick in the battle for a healthier liver. From vitamin E to milk thistle, these little powerhouses pack a punch in supporting your liver's detoxification process and overall well-being. But before you start popping pills like a mad scientist, remember that a well-rounded approach is key. Alongside incorporating supplements into your routine, it is equally important to maintain a healthy diet, eat less processed foods, engage in regular exercise, and prioritize proper hydration. These lifestyle factors work synergistically with the supplements to promote optimal liver health. Also, remember to consult with your healthcare provider to ensure that you are taking the right supplements in the right quantity that address your specific needs. By adopting a well-rounded approach and seeking professional guidance, you can effectively support your liver's health and well-being. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!